Ka nong yalam ka NPP ka badairu ka MLA na su tengah saipung ka kong Santa Mary Syllad. Ha ka sautarik naitung kala ong bakan le ya kendu wat ai khublei daladihi ya MP ka VPP na Shillong Dr. AJ Sinkon. Lada ka Meghalaya kandang yok biang ya ka song pisa ka ba arspa kandai po Klur tengka na ka bentawan penklaim bat pynbha ya ka surok ba National Highway 6 ka balas new. Ngis ngau kumen bau MP ka Shillong ula shimkia ha ka ba ula ong ba ula yo ya ka song pisa ka ba arspa kandai po Klur tengka namar bana kaliang ka sorkar jela kala dep ban yo arspa pon prahui Klur tengka kumta kan long ka babha shibun na ka benta ka jela jongi ladangi yo saka weipat ka song pisa ka ba arspa kandai po Klur kaban kenjo syaka sauspa kandai po Klur tengka baro ong ka kong Santa Mary lingba kinong pathai kubor ngin kam komen syu bat ngahi shimen ngan leit ban ya kendu ya u bat ai khublei kerpang ya u ba ulala ban penyo biang saya kani ka song pisa ka bathamai kala ong kani ka jingpen pauda kani ka nong yalam ka NPP na East Giant Hills ka long ru halor ki jingmi khubor ki bala kam ba ka sarkar pedeng kala penbenaya ka jingmang pisa ka bahadu arspa kandai poklur na ka benta ban shna pynbha bat maramot ya ka surok ba NH6 hadian kejingya kendu jong usungkon bat Menteri Ketenat Road Transport and Highways MORTH ka sorkar pedeng uditin Gadkari hakalai tarik mentau benai. Henry watla kata ka kong Santa kala ong baka jing shisha halor kani kalong baka sorkar pedeng kala menjor ban penyo ya ka song pisa ka ba arspa poin prapui Klur hau benai risau arajar arpulai. Ha kabaya ki kamaramat la IT syaki armut ki kontraktor. Ka kam kadang ya syakman kila sedang ya ka jing train adu ubnai leber baladap bala ai porshis nam ban pendap ya kate ke surok kala ong ngi ai khublei ya ka sarkar India bat ka MORTH bat ngi kermen bangin sayo syu ya ka song jiarap hakisi ki banwan syu ka kong Santa kala ong ru menteri ka sarkar pedeng ha ka jing shisha udang syudat tipsyen halor ka song pisa ka baladap ban mang ka balong arspa poin prapui Klur tengka menta saka pisa bala penbena dau MP ngam dan jingtip saka pisa ayupat ka ba ula kren bat kumta de na kata ka daw banga so klumar khendiat Henry ke jing shisha ka long ba arspa poin prapui Klur tengka la dep ban ajing bet na du ubnai risau arajar arpulai bat ka basa kadang don hapdeng ka jing penkret ya ka DPR la dep penkret bat menta ngidang ap satang ban mang ya ka kabasa kalong prabu khandai poin khandai po Klur tengka bat ka jingmang ka batang shimen kamla banlong tang ublei ubala ban le kata.
I would say that we are happy that the Honorable MP of Shillong has taken the initiative and in which he said that he has got a sanction of 290 crores. So since the state government has already received 200.81 crores as being said earlier, so it will be very good for us that if we get another additional amount of 290 crores, which will be 490 crores. So it will be very, we are more than happy. I myself will go and meet him myself and I'll congratulate him for getting that amount. So that's all. So now the additional amount that the Honorable MP is saying, I don't know which additional amount he's talking about. So that's why I'm also a little bit confused. But the real fact is that 200.81 crore is being sanctioned in the month of October 2023. And the remaining is still on process. DPR has been prepared and now we are waiting for the sanction.
How much is the remaining?
That is 89.90 crores. And as you cannot get an overnight sanction. It anywhere is impossible. I think only God can do, or that's all only. We have to prepare the DPR. It will take a long time. We have to go to the site, see the sites, measure everything. That's what is done as procedure. And then DPR goes to the state government. State government checks all the paperwork. Then it goes to the agency again, they'll check again, it comes back to the government, and then it goes to, it's a very long process. I cannot explain the whole thing here, but it's a very process. It takes a long time to sanction any kind of, especially it's not a small amount. It's 200.81 crores. And now to claim like that, I feel it's really bad. Yeah, I feel like this is, leading the people to, in the brainwashing the people is not wise to say. We as a legislator, we just need to bring development to our state with the good mind and good heart of our people, and also not that we'll say that we got this amount when the government had worked so hard all these years to get sanction of this much amount, and somebody will take the credit that it's not good. CM also had follow up on 24th of June. He personally went to meet the Honorable Minister, and then he has got what he has. The minister had all told him that what he's supposed to know. So, but then to take the credit, that we had got the sanction of 290 crores, I think that is not wise on the party. We have been monitoring the NHI, the state government, and the contractor also. We have been pressurizing them. We have been telling them on and on about the quality of the work. So we assure that the contractor will do very good work. And since the project they have received, not like before they get 5 crore, 10 crore, 20 crore. Now it's 200 crore just for repair work. I feel that they should do a very good work. The repair work was going on only since since 2022-23, and but since I think the NHI had got a few sanction amount during that time, around maybe 20-25 crores. I'm not very sure about the amount, but something they have received during that time, small amount. So the government had pursued it when the repair work was going on until I think it took them maybe around 6 to 7 months, or I'm not sure about the timing, okay, but then it took time. It didn't work out overnight. It took time to sanction any kind of amount. So this 200 crores must have taken maybe 6-7 months for the government to get the sanction, and that also with much pressure. We are the High Court also is to be given the credit. That is why the work has been fast. Speed up the work. That's why the repair work they got the sanction of something to 20 something crore, and that also was sanctioned, and this 200 crore also was sanctioned. This also was the intervene of the High Court was also there. So side by side, the state government and the High Court. So that's why we got the sanction. Yes, I have spoken to the PD of NHI last time, and then they were saying that there will be a permanent solution later on, not now, that they will make a full tunnel of maybe quite long, maybe 2 kilometers or 1 kilometer as such, because that hill up there, you have seen it keeps on falling as soon as the monsoon comes, and that will hamper our people, and it will create more issues later on. So that was the thing that I got from the NHA. Yes, they are planning, because the 4 laning they're still on the job, and the survey is going on. So we hope that by this year that the 4 lane should come by end of this year.